Hey, what's up? My name's Melinda. I'm a Sephora Beauty Director, and today I want to show you 4 of my favorite hair strengthening products. I love these ones. They're great for different hair concerns, so let me show you them. Let's jump right in. Okay, so first up is brand spanking new from Pureology. You know we love Pureology. We're always talking about them because they're so good. This is the Don't Despair Repair Rice Water Protein and Moisture Strengthening Hair Treatment for dry and damaged hair. So what's really cool about this one is it's literally split down the middle. I don't know if you can see the 2 colors. So one side of this is going to pump out a strengthening formula that addresses the protein in your hair. The other side is going to pump out a formula that's super moisturizing. So it's kind of creating that perfect balance of what your hair needs. I'll show you what it looks like when you disperse it. It's the 2 formulas just come together. You rub your hands together, mix it all in, apply it throughout your hair after you shampoo, leave it in for 5-10 minutes, move on to your mask, your conditioner, and then style as usual. So I'm super excited about this next one because it's new brand at Sephora. This is the K18 Molecular Repair Mask. And what's really interesting about this one is K18 actually has a K18 peptide that they've patented in this formula. It's really almost like a filler for your hair. It's really cool how it works. When you're in the shower after you shampoo, you're gonna come right out and towel dry your hair, no conditioner. Then you're gonna apply this starting with 1 pump and then just add more as you need, but don't overdo it. Once you get it all through your strands, you're gonna wait 4 minutes to let it activate before you can style as usual. All right, so next up is from Karistas, and this is the Chroma Absolute Recovery Mask. So this is gonna be kind of similar to the K18 in the sense that it's going to go into your hair strands and really fill them and create strength from within, but it's a mask, so the format is a little bit different. Also, what's cool about this is it's really great for helping to prevent any fading if you dye your hair. So it's always kind of a little extra something. You get 2 for 1. I love to show you the texture of hair masks because I always find that they're really cool and thick and luxurious, and I'm just a sucker for them. So this one you're gonna use in the shower, and you're just gonna apply it after you wash your hair, leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can move on as usual. So last but certainly not least, this one's from Pureology, and this is the Strength Cure Miracle Filler. So it's that keyword filler. It's going into your hair, strengthening from within. But what's cool about this one, it's a slightly different format. This is actually a heat protectant and blow dry lotion spray. So you can spray this on your damp hair when you get out of the shower before you use any heat on it, and it's going to help strengthen from within, protect against that heat, and really smooth out your hair. You can also use it on dry hair, which I found really interesting, and I've actually tried a couple times. It's really cool. You'll just mist it lightly, so a little bit less this time, and it will help prevent any UV damage from the sun if you're going to be spending time outside, or if you're going swimming in a pool with chlorine, it helps with that as well. So as you can see, my hair is dry, but I want to show you how it works and how fine the mist is. So I'm just going to spray it all the way around. And voila. All right, so those are my 4 faves for strengthening your hair. And even if your hair is already healthy, these are really great ways to keep it healthy and prevent future damage. Or maybe you were like me back in the day where I over bleached my hair just a couple times and experienced a lot of damage. These would have helped me so much had I had them, had I known about them. Let me know in the comments below if you have any hair faux pas stories just to give me a giggle. And I'll see you all next time. All right, bye.